Imagine a world where you never have to pull out your phone again. That's not science fiction anymore. AI glasses are making it real. It's kind of wild how fast it's happening. So, what makes AI glasses different? Instead of staring at a screen, you get a tiny projector that overlays info right onto your lenses. You see your messages, directions, real-time translations, all while still looking at the world around you. No more awkwardly juggling your phone while crossing the street or trying to text with one hand. Here's where it gets cool. You control everything hands-free. Voice commands, subtle gestures, wristband sensors let you interact naturally. Need directions? Just ask. Want to reply to a message? Whisper your response or scribble it out on your leg. It's seamless, and honestly, it feels like the tech is just part of you. The AI is always on, always aware. It can tell you when traffic's bad before you even think to check, or identify what you're looking at in real time. It's like having a superpower. Except it's just your glasses. Some features still need your phone in your pocket, sure, but the vision is clear. Soon, these glasses could be your main digital gateway. Less distraction, more connection to the real world, tech that just fits into your life. Like, literally. So, are you ready to ditch your phone for a pair of AI glasses? The future's closer than you think.